Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so this is not actually the book distribution core team, but there's another group which is there, but I don't think all of them are there here. But I just want to actually set an expectation on this. Prabhu. See, book distribution is the heart of Srila Prabhupada's preaching movement. Anything else can stop. In for the Sankirtan movement to grow, book distribution is very, very important. And then, I mean, chanting and following the four-legged principles is actually important for our personal growth. What's missing is basically if we don't preach and distribute books, that would actually make ourselves very weak, and also our movement will be very weak. So that should be in mind. So having said that, for outside devotees, non-devotees, inspire them to actually donate money. Okay, Shastradan is actually really good for them. For devotees, first preference is buy the books and distribute the books on your own in whatever way you can. If you are not able to distribute books for various reasons because of your personal constraint, your what do you call have difficulty at home, they don't allow you to do all those things, then go for Shastradan. Shastradan should not be actually the primary focus for the core team. We should actually think about how do I actually distribute it. It's easy to give 500 rupees or 5,000 rupees and say somebody else will distribute. I'll just sit in and watch some movie. No, that should not be the case. We should think about how do I distribute it this time. That pleases Krishna more. The point of actually asking the devotees to pay upfront, it's only because of the situation we are in, because not everyone is going to sit in the center. Managing the book accounts, all those things becomes very, very complicated. When you return something, how do you actually know what is written, what is not written? That's the reason actually we are telling, okay, some basic amount like 5,000 rupees is what actually you take books and distribute that much at least. You want to distribute more, well and good. If you say I can't distribute so much, but I'm ready to give, that's okay. We'll try out some other ways. You can actually take the books and give it to somebody else to distribute on your behalf. You'll get the money back on your own when you actually distribute it, however you want to distribute it, or various ways. I'm thinking out like this. Send it as a new year gift for some of your friends or somebody. Mentioned that actually in the temple they did the homa, and they said they gave us some 10 books and said give these books to the best friends of yours or someone whom you know you like. And then so I thought actually I should send it to you, send it to them like that, so they'll feel very happy that somebody is remembering me after that. Nobody in what you call in Hindu culture would say Bhagavad Gita is waste or Krishna book is waste and things like that. Think something innovatively. If you can't go door to door, which is very difficult, think sending it as a courier to somebody else, something innovatively that pleases Krishna and Prabhupada more than just giving money and then saying that okay, somebody else will distribute it. That's also important. I'm not saying no, don't give Shastradan, but that should not be the focus for the core team. Don't think, okay, in your Bhakti Viksha also, if there are somebody who's a senior, serious devotee, encourage them to actually buy the books and distribute the books. They'll get the money back when they distribute it. How are they going to distribute it? It's something left to them. Think on that perspective. That's what actually I want to set as a context here from the book distribution perspective. Shastradan is not actually our primary goal for this core team, because you guys are already actually above that. That's for outsiders actually. For somebody who's your friend, if you give them a book like that, they can actually say, how much can I also do this? Take that money and then do the Shastradan for that. That's fine. But if we also do Shastradan and then all of us actually just do Shastradan and sit quietly, I know Pransaki Mataji will always be the only one who will actually go ahead and then conduct programs for them and things like that. We should not do that. We all should actually try to increase the preaching, and book distribution is a very good opportunity for us to get new contacts. If I get a new contact, I will give it to Saravan Prabhu. Saravan Prabhu is doing some program. If you get a new contact, give it to me. Something like that, so that each other can conduct a program for your own friends. Because if you talk to them, they won't listen, because they know this fellow was like this. I mean, holding what you call finger in the mouth and roaming around. He's coming and telling me, so they won't accept it. But if you give the contact to somebody else, they will actually be able to preach to them. So somewhere we need to do something innovative. That's what I want to actually say. Even in the book distribution core group, if the devotees are saying I've given Shastradan, I've done it and things like that, not actually as something which actually we should appreciate. Because we need to encourage them to do book distribution in their own way, in a personal way, either to the relatives, friends, or neighbors, or even the temple, something. But let them do it safely. Let them not go and then fight with COVID. We should keep that in mind. Any questions on that before actually we get into the details? I think Vijay Prabhu has sent something from a process perspective. Any questions?
Prabhu, if we take books and if we give for free also, that is also considered Shastradan only or book distribution?
It is Shastradan on it's see it is still it is actually distribution only, Prabhu. You are doing it personally, no? You are involved, right? You are choosing whom you want to give.
Okay, bro.
It's still that way. Or if you actually tell somebody, okay, I am remotely sitting, I will give you the money, you send it to these people, I'll give you the address. That's also preaching only. You are actually trying to contact them, right? You are actually going to keep in touch with them. If you're going to go on the road and give them some books, they will not know what it is. I don't think we'll do that. I don't think you actually pick up 100 books and go on the road and then stand in front of some circle and say we want book. I don't think we'll do like that. We need to actually find out whom we want to give it to and give it them, cultivate them. Even if you are the youth forum, what they're doing is they're collecting this money and then going to the orphanages. So I think a few boys are cultivating those orphanage, the old people and this kind of people, and then some of the youngsters also, the kids. They're trying to cultivate, give them programs in Zoom and things like that. So we need to do like that, not generally give the book and then forget about that. Yeah. Any questions, Prabhu? Any other thoughts? How we want to actually distribute books?
Prabhuji, can I ask you a question? Since the youth forum people are already doing this, why are we, for us, our main focus is, I know, to do all this. Why don't we work in coordination with them, Prabhuji, whereby we move our stock also, we also get donations from people and move our stock to them instead of different people again doing it. They can also work with them and do it together, no? Then that way I think we'll have a larger outreach, isn't it?
See, they already have a lot of books, Mataji.
Okay.
The point is they have books. I mean, we have 60 lakh worth of books. My only point is I want to engage all our people, including myself. All of us should be encouraged to distribute at least some 20-25 books in this 45 days period.
Okay.
If we send it to them, we will just give them money, but you will not really be personally involved in doing some preaching work. If you actually give them the context, they will take the context, they will run the program.
Okay.
You will not get a chance to actually preach.
Okay.
I want to make sure that we get an opportunity to grow our congregation. Is that okay, Mataji, Pradhan Sakhi Mataji, Ranchor Prabhu, or Sanatan
Yes,
Prabhu?
Prabhu. Yeah, our main concern is actually, we have lots of books in our center. So, all our members should be involved in distributing that. So, as you said, yeah, if we give someone, main, they only will be doing. So, we'll think, okay, let them do like that.
See, I mean, while it is important that numbers matter, for me personally, numbers are secondary. Okay, if the youth forum is going to lead the numbers, I'm okay with that. But I want to get at least some 100 sincere souls who we can conduct some program after this whole thing. That's all of us will get some people to cultivate. Like how Saravana Prabhu has actually taken that Narsimha Kavacha group. At least 10 people, at least 5 people actually here, they make some progress, you get benefit. That's my focus. Okay, Ranchor Prabhu. Ranchor Prabhu is sitting quietly.
No, same thing. What I was echoing your same thought what you told. No? Basically, we ourselves has to be involved for our benefit. Actually, unless until we are involved in the service, we don't get any benefit. So, I mean, the more we do, the more we take risk. I think the more, the better the acharyas are pleased. So we can do at different levels, as you exactly told, right? We can do the minimum thing, different level. We can just donate money and then don't do anything else. We can donate money and distribute ourselves, going to devotees, better. But no, if you instead of donating, we are able to sell the books. I think that is the best thing to happen. And after that, of course, as you told, converting, trying to make them devotees by follow-up.
So one thing, Prabhuji, I was thinking is that like we have these apartments groups, and as of now as well, all their vegetables and everything is planned inside the apartment, and different vendors are called, and then notification being sent. So we can plan something like that. Okay, now some ISKCON devotees are coming and they're distributing all the scriptures or Bhagavad Gita, Krishna book, all at very discounted price in our premises, and all the safety precaution, everything will be followed. Something like that will tell. And maybe so, for example, in Shiv Kumar Prabhu's apartment, we all will go. Shiv Kumar Prabhu will go to in our apartment. So like that, so that different apartments we can identify where we can do book distribution. We can go. We'll maybe wear mask and hand gloves and everything, and keep some sanitizer as well, just to show that okay, we are following all the protocols, and then try to distribute the books in apartment itself, collect the contacts from them, because as of now also they are purchasing all the household goods in their apartment. So similarly, even these books also they will be able to purchase.
Sure.
Yes,
Good, but then just be cautious, Prabhu. Just be careful. I mean, don't do ad hoc and then remove the mask and stand there and all, because whole day we are going to say 3-4 hours we are going to stand. Just be cautious. Wherever you people are doing, wherever we are getting engaged, let's do it carefully.
Yeah.
I'm good with that approach.
Yeah, and one more thing, Prabhu. Even if we go to temples, I mean, we can kind of follow a zero touch approach. Like we don't need to talk to them. Like how we do before, right? Like we really call them to our central stall and then kind of explain all those things. Maybe we can do that. Maybe not be very frequently like before. Maybe once in a week, one temple we can go and actually whoever is interested, again, like whoever is don't have any constraints, they can do. Maybe kind of like more than shastra, then we can give discounts, because this is the time people also will take, if instead of giving it completely for fee, if we give it for discount, whoever wanted to instead of giving shastra, then we can also think that way, like instead of giving a book completely for free, maybe we can give a discount, put some banners, and kind of follow a zero touch policy where people can just see some quotes. We can instead of what we talking, we can put some quotes, and maybe some people who are interested, they may come and talk to us, because we also going and approaching people, they may not like, they may also question us, like, right? And the other thing is relatives, friends. I mean, those are the avenues actually. This, I think this time it's really will be convenient for people to to talk to friends and relatives, because usually we don't talk to them much during a book distribution program. We mostly focus on going to temple or going to some schools and colleges and things like that. Yeah.
If you have a college friends, this is actually a good time to send it and tell them actually we are increasing Hindutva, okay, Hinduism. Because across Quran and Bible, they are distributing like anything free. All of them, they're getting funds from Middle East, elsewhere. What are we doing to increase our Hinduism? I mean, of course, I'm using the word Hinduism loosely here. We need to do something. These people may not, see our own relatives staying in the villages, they may not know. Send one book, it's okay. Yeah. I mean, if you find it difficult to write to them, you let us know, we will write on your behalf. So we can do that way. Let us know, they give the address, we'll write a small letter. I mean, just to thank them that we remembered you. They won't know who's written it. We can send it across to them. So they'll feel very happy that somebody is remembering them. And things like that. Yeah. So I'm okay. However you want to run. See, from a book management perspective, we want to actually do it simple, in a simple way, that you pay upfront and take it. If somebody asks Pranam about that, let me know, we can do something. But then, because bringing back their books and putting in the center and all, there's nobody to manage this time.
Yes.
Vijay Prabhu is remote. Mahadev Prabhu might be there for some time, but it's all very complicated this time. It's not that simple.
Even if there are leftover, we can again carry it over to the next year, Prabhu. So that should not be a concern.
Vijay Prabhu is coming back Monday.
Who's coming?
Yes,
Right.
Prabhuji. Today I start, Prabhuji.
Yes. Thank you.
Haribol.
But still, I would say this returning back, actually try to avoid it, because we will get whatever is necessary, because we are not going to do very, very big like the Vaikuntha Ekadashi kind of stuff and all. It's not going to be so simple this time. It will not be a whole day program. We have to do it very carefully. I don't want any of us to fall sick. That's my only expectation at this point in time. Do preaching also, but don't take this whole thing very lightly. I don't want any of us to actually fall sick and then struggle. That should not happen.
Yep. I think we can hear Vijay Prabhu's plan. He might have planned something. Let's first hear, and then maybe we can give more ideas.
Yes, Prabhuji. So before going to start, Prabhuji, Gauranga Pavanadas Prabhuji recently initiated. Please accept my humble wishes as Prabhuji virtually.
That's why Gaurav Prabhu is thinking.
No, I'm not thinking like that. Thanks, Prabhu. But I can see like Vijay Prabhu has done a lot of service these days. Even the form, I could see it's basically great. Like all the books he has put in, we can select and automatically it is calculating the price. So a lot of services Vijay Prabhu is doing, and all the devotees I can see everyone is doing. So
all because of our senior devotees, Prabhuji.
Yes, all glories to all senior devotees, Kripamay Prabhu, Ranchor Prabhu, Pranzaki Mataji, all.
Yeah, okay, Prabhuji. So Prabhuji, for members, each member actually go through that form. They have to fill the details. So we give some options. Let me share my screen and show you. Can you see my screen, Prabhuji?
Yes, Prabhu. Yes.
So
Yes,
this
Prabhu.
is the form I created for members. So this address is not mandatory. You want to, collect the books. They cannot not able to connect the books from center. They have to give their address. Say, for example, I've given this. In next form, you can see two options. Can you collect the books from SKBC? So,
And basically, when you say Prabhu no, then whether someone will deliver at their doorstep or how you are planning.
yes, Prabhuji, we have to plan that, Prabhuji.
Yeah, that we can see either courier or depending on, see if it's courier, it's going to be extra charges. But if it's something that they want to actually have somebody deliver, if it's in the area, one of us can actually deliver it. I can help Prabhu. It's not be a problem.
So for the courier charges, Prabhuji, actually, one of my Bhakti Visha member, actually, she has donated. So she said like, anything for the service, you can use it.
Very nice. Okay.
So actually, I think we have to do from our own center this form and couriering it to the different person. But how to do it, Vijay Prabhu has to say.
So then Vijay Prabhu, along with no, you can mention if someone is selecting no, then books will be couriered at your home.
Yeah.
So, okay, and then basically because in earlier form you have made that address is not mandatory. So either with selection of no, address should become, then they again have to enter address here if they have not entered, or you have to basically say when they are selecting no, then you have to mention like address is mandatory in this case because.
Okay, Prabhu. I will make the changes, Prabhu.
So
One suggestion, Prabhu. So if you say no, like basically if there is no implication between yes and no, then everybody will say no only. I mean, I don't know mostly because anyway you're sending it free, right?
Yeah.
So I'm not sure how to incentivize people who are.
So no, so in no you can mention that courier charges will be extra. So if they really want it, then they will.
Then they will exit this form, Prabhu.
Correct, Prabhu.
Otherwise, Vijay Prabhu make it like this. Whenever they take the most towards no, right?
Okay.
Make it disappear. Okay. I have to click on yes. Just kidding. So we'll tell whoever comes to the center, we'll give you one laddu or something free.
one more thing, Prabhuji, like
I think people will be comfortable coming to center and collect the books. I don't think.
We'll be reaching out to. I mean, basically it's a public forum, right? So I'm not sure whether we'll know the people who are going to the form. And
This is only for leaders, Prabhuji. This is only for leaders.
It's only for leaders.
Yeah, we have another form for public.
Then we don't need the no option, Prabhuji. We don't need. They come and collect it from the center. If it's only us.
Mataji, I need courier.
Prabhuji, your exception, Prabhuji.
Yeah. So what I would suggest, Vijay Prabhu, we are about 40 people, 50 people maximum. So we have their phone numbers. If they want something, let them actually call us up. We'll tell them. See, if it's local nearby, they don't want to come out of house. One of us can actually deliver it. We just collect the details. We'll do it.
Yes,
Prabhu.
yes.
Yeah, remove
complex.
that option, Prabhuji.
Don't make it too complex.
Yeah. So preferred mode of payment. So here we can give cash. So when you come to collect the books, so at that time you can give cash, or you want to transfer money like a bank transfer.
So here also, Prabhu, like you can mention somewhere like advance payment because like Prabhuji is telling us, so it should not be that then they should be clear in mind that okay, if they are doing it, they're booking it, then advance payment they have to make, or basically cash they have to pay upfront.
4 members, we don't need this, Prabhuji.
We need Mataji.
For the 4 members, actually, they can call to our one of the concerned person and we can dispatch.
No, Mataji, requirement we don't know, right? So how to track those details?
See,
For
what
example,
Vijay Prabhu, we did discuss, Mataji. What Vijay Prabhu is saying is, how I have only say 15 say Odia Bhagavad Gitas, okay? How many are required? How will you know that? If you upfront do that, then they'll come to the center and say that I have only 3 books here. I wanted 10 books. Then then I can go to the temple and bring it and put it there. Then people can come and pick it up exactly what they ordered.
Meet the demand and supply.
Yes, Prabhuji, correct.
That's the reason.
Prabhu, this is accounting. How do we manage? Like because if it they directly pay to like they collect the book from SKBC and pay to temple. How do we keep track?
They will pay it, and then the transcript they have to send to Kamayan Mataji. Kamayan Mataji will maintain the accounts, and then we'll also actually have a clear understanding how many, what are they paid. 5,000 rupees, what you are saying. If somebody wants to pay more or less, we'll find out. So that much books we can issue like that.
So this amount we can detect when we settle with the temple, right? Whatever has been directly transferred.
Yeah, that Kamayan Mataji and Sanatana will take care. Sanatana Prabhu, is that correct?
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay.
So then Prabhu, then give this detail upfront itself that if they are doing the transaction, they need to share a screenshot to Sanatan Prabhu's WhatsApp or email ID. So both things you should give here.
No, we have already mentioned that. So Kamyavan Mataji will take care of it. And my suggestion is remove the cash option.
Okay.
I mean, seriously, I don't think devotees need to pay cash and take it. They fill this form and they pay upfront. They come on that day, they take their box and go away.
Yeah.
Minimum contact.
So if somebody has
Prabhu,
a cash problem or something like that, okay, someone of
We'll
us
manage,
actually handle it internally.
exceptions will manage, but that should not be an option. Like we said, courier option, no? Let's not keep it as an option at all.
Okay, Prabhuji. Okay, I'll remove that also. So instead of this, I'll remove this thing also.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yes, Mataji.
Prabhuji, here a list of books is updated, Prabhuji, in the form. So that what and all books are available. Even kids somewhere are asking me about the kids books also. So now kids are at home, they want to read something. We can distribute that also along with Bhagavad Gita or something. So that books also, if it is available, it will be helpful.
Basically the Krishna book, like the Krishna book in the 4 books that we have.
No, small books they were asking, Prabhuji.
Small books means you're talking about kids book, not our philosophy book?
Yes.
The drawing book or...
Not drawing book, Prabhuji, like Dhruva Maharaj story books, like that
stories,
moral
okay.
stories books were there. So that, like that books they were asking.
We don't
Anything
have.
there.
We don't have an SKBC.
We don't have it. So what you can do
No.
it, you can actually give the list, Mataji. Harini Mataji, you can actually send it to Vijay Prabhu. Vijay Prabhu collate all
Okay.
of these things. I will bring it from the temple.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Okay, Prabhuji, I will add that.
Since we actually, we are not going to return anything. We'll just collect money and then we'll settle it.
Okay.
Preferably stick to the books that we have. 2 reasons. One, these are BBT books, unlike the story books. And second thing, we need to empty our stock. We may not be able to exchange everything, Kripamani Prabhu. So let's we start adding more, than we might have issues in maintaining stock. Again, we have to give, we have to take. So let's figure out with the stock that we have.
Okay, so you're saying that 5,000 rupees you have to take from here. Extra you will actually take from somewhere else.
Extra, we'll figure that out, Prabhu.
Okay.
No, so these books are the ones that we should try target, right? So these are mostly the BBT books and probably with Ramayan. Harini Mataji, that we'll see how many kids book requirement is there. We will get it, but that will be over and above the books that we have.
Okay, Prabhuji. Because Gauranga Prabhu was telling like even we can put it in the apartment, some stalls like that. So there also, if kids books are there, then people will come and see along with that and they'll buy it. My suggestion, Prabhuji, it's right or wrong, I don't know. It's my suggestion. Even I thought put it in my layout also. That's why I'm giving my suggestion, Prabhuji.
No problem, Mataji. If you want some books, we'll get it for you. You just mention what it is, but anything has to be taken, you will not be able to return it. Just remember that.
Yeah, sure, Prabhuji. Yeah, thank you.
Vijay Prabhuji, one thing basically in this form, I wanted to understand that if that can be possible or not. So for example, here you can see Bhagavad Gita, I'm selecting quantity and then I can select language like English.
Yes,
but now I also want some Bhagavad Gita in Hindi, then I have to again refill this form, right? Or I can, there is some add button that I can additionally add some quantities for Hindi as well, then some quantities for some other. So that is something I tried yesterday and I could not figure it out. Then that's why I was thinking.
I think it's a good thing, bro. Pransiki Mataji's idea is actually good in that sense. Instead of putting it like this, the only thing is we don't know the amount of money. That's why actually devotees need to know. Vijay Prabhu, they can just mention I need 5 English Bhagavad Gita, 3 Malayalam Bhagavad Gita, 2 Oriya Bhagavad Gita, like that on a free text also. That also is okay. We pick it up because it's only for the mainly core, but then the same thing will happen for them also, no?
No,
the
so one
public.
thing, Prabhu, we can do rather than so quantity one can mention this English, this language selection you can remove.
Okay.
There you can have a normal
Text box. Okay.
box. There they can mention that okay, English.
Yeah.
Maybe they can mention 5 English, 6 Hindi, something like that. They can then they will be able to put in the note. That will help, Prabhu.
Okay, Prabhuji. I will make this change.
And with this quantity and price, anyways, final price will get calculated. Text with text, we get the exact requirement.
Okay, sure, Prabhuji. I will make this changes. Apart from that, any suggestion for the form is okay.
Somebody wants to hold Srimad Bhagavatam. Give one text also in the bottom row. If somebody
Yeah,
wants
at the
to put a
bottom
comment.
as well. Yeah, miscellaneous requirements like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So one can put whole text whatever they want. So like Harni Mataji is saying she needs some children's books, so she can even put it here and then we
Okay.
can figure it out how we can. So in the same form itself, everything can be captured.
Okay, Prabhuji. Okay, give one more option here. Like need another books.
But Prabhuji, those will be over and above what we have. So it will be over and above the 5,000, no?
Okay, yes. I mean, we are suggesting 5,000 rupees each one of us
Yes,
distribute. So it will
yes.
be more than that. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is additional. Yeah.
Mention DIUN.
Ah, yes. Sorry.
So you can also say that other books please mention. Okay, then price upfront they may not be knowing it, and you can additionally say on even in this that for other requirements basically they will be updated for the Lakshmi.
Okay,
So that they can understand that if they are mentioning something on top of it, then additionally some Lakshmi they have to pay for that.
So Vijay Prabhu, you collate all the books that really require extra books and things like that. If you need some books more than what is there, because I'm estimating, you'd have to share the leader list, Prabhu. I'm thinking 5,000 each means we need 40 leaders. That will be around 2 lakhs. We have about 2,25,000 worth of books in the center right now,
yes,
plus all these extra things which may actually come. So I'm guessing we should be able to clean it up, but I don't know. I want to see the leader. So not everyone will be able to actually pay for 5,000 at this point in time. We need to be cautious of that. Yeah.
So then Prabhu, I just wanted to understand that in our inventory, so basically our Surbhi Kunj books, we want to clear it off is what you are saying, 2 lakhs. So
Mainly.
if the inventory is so if inventory is shared, so then for example, we understand that, okay, how many languages books are there. So for example, some devotee, he may even distribute in Bengali as well, can distribute in English as well, but we have devotees who look for more English. Then they can go for English, and the devotee who can only distribute in Bengali will go for Bengali. Like that, then we can think, and then accordingly we can plan distributing these books.
Prabhuji, this is the sheet, Prabhuji. There we can see the current stock, Prabhuji, book-wise and language-wise.
Gaurav Prabhu, just to add to it, I think Prabhu already mentioned. So if there is a demand for, let's say, 50 English books and we have 25 Bengali books that no one is asking for, then we will exchange that in the temple and get you that English books.
Yeah.
That's why BBT books. That's why I'm repeatedly mentioning it's easy for us to exchange that way. Going for another non-book, then we'll have a problem in accounting that. Okay, as is, we'll replace.
The only issue, Prabhu, why I was telling is that because I came to know that because of this rain and moisture, some books are basically now in that condition, that will not be able to.
That we have taken care of, Prabhu.
That's taken care of. Whatever we have in the center is all good quality right now.
Okay.
Prabhuji, can I make one point? Why don't the members first transfer the 5,000 to the account? The bank details are given so that we have an idea of how much money has come in, and then we collate with the list which they have sent. So we can start that immediately as a starting point.
Either that way you can do all this order whatever quantity you need, Mataji. Either way is fine because nobody will run away.
No, it's not that, Prabhuji. We get the money, and the order will come along with that. No, the moment they do it fast.
So I think Satyam Mataji, I understood. So you just put one date that okay, on this date we are planning to, some devotees planning to go there to distribute the books, so do all the payment and be ready with your receipt and go and collect it. So like
No,
that
and they give us the list beforehand, Prabhuji. And see, Vijay Prabhu is coming on Monday, but he won't be free on Monday.
No, no.
You know?
So what Mataji we can do is that we can, Vijay Prabhu, you can put in the core group that okay, all the devotees should basically place their order by maximum Monday close of play, and so that we get everything in place by that time.
Prabhu, one point also that whatever Satyam Mataji was telling, no, that before payment, this will not happen if you just put a message. Actually, we have to call each person and tell that this is what we are planning.
Can we see the
Prabhuji? Core members के लिए क्यों करना है, Prabhuji?
Yeah, core members also Mataji. No, see how many core members are attending now? 13 members. We are expecting 40 members, right? So
can you actually open the leaders? Let's see.
Yeah, 27 leaders are not there. So, and also they will not be so, I mean, until unless we'll call them and ask them. Leaders also need push, actually.
That's true. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Is a question.
You have to call each leader, Prabhuji.
Yeah, each leader. So each leader means, so we should actually divide and conquer, bro. We need to actually call certain people. Not everyone can actually give the amount, or somebody may not want to actually participate. We will not force anybody, okay? But we'll actually definitely suggest them because it's pleasing to Prabhupada. We'll see if somebody is not able to give 5,000, don't force them, Prabhu. Whatever they can.
We'll just explain it as this is the plan, what we are planning. So please, you make if you.
So I think Prabhu, one WhatsApp group for the core group WhatsApp group.
Is it not there? Is it not there already with the book distribution group?
No, Prabhuji. That's got the Deepdan and many more other things going on.
Yeah. The marathon group is having like so many members.
Many other members also.
See, what about there's one more group called book distribution leaders. What is that group supposed to be?
Distribution leader.
No, Prabhuji.
No, Prabhuji.
It was there before.
It is still there. I am there, part of it at least. I see that.
Maybe everybody else has left the group.
No, Prabhu. Let me actually share my screen. What is this group all about?
It is there. Leaders group is there. I think
26 members are there.
Yes,
Vijay Prabhu, you are there in the leaders group. You just add all
the core group people, and for them actually all these messages will go to 5,000 and things like that. Don't put it in the other book distribution group.
Okay, Prabhu.
Yeah.
That let whatever they want to do. They want to do Shastradan or distribute. That's up to them.
Okay.
Most of the outsiders will actually do Shastradan only because you can wash off hands. 100 rupees, 200 rupees you give and then be peaceful. That will not actually really make them progress much.
Vijay Prabhu, this list is based on what? I can see Nima Mataji's name and all.
BC group Mataji, I collect the names from BC group is there, no?
What is BC?
Core group.
No, Mataji, this is based on people who took books from the center last year and who paid. Like Nima Mataji and all, we can't make them leaders. They didn't pay, they just took a few books, Mataji. Okay. And and it's not everyone took a large amount, you know. So this list is only those, like, remember when we made the final list about how much money came from each one and was given, the final list, you know how it came to how much total money we collected, her name figured in that.
Mataji, Mataji, later I've added few names, Mataji.
That's few only, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
The Nietzsche ones. But
otherwise,
I
think what we need to do, we need to remove some name also, maybe like what as per what Satya Mataji is saying, Nima Mataji, maybe I think maybe Puna Mataji also, I think she took only 2 books.
Can we remove now?
Yeah. I don't even know many of these people actually. Okay.
But Poonam Mataji is in the core group, no? She's not there.
Yes, Mataji, but did she collect large volume of books like last year?
No. Don't see, in the core team, whoever is there, will strongly recommend them. They should actually do distribution.
Yes, sir. All core members should come.
Yeah.
Yes.
If both actually the Prabhuji and Mataji separate.
Yes. Both of them should come. They can distribute it. They'll get the money back. We are not actually telling them you give charity. But if they excuse them, then I can't come and things like that. That's okay. That's fine. But we should actually not remove them like that.
No, Prabhuji, so that will be there, no? That core group will be there, that what you said just now, no? That group in which... you are there and Vijay
Hmm.
Prabhu and all that.
Hmm.
We'll
Hmm.
have that core group and carry on.
Hitesh Prabhu is from other group, I think. With other Prabhu's group.
And that we can remove.
Which one, Prabhuji?
Hitesh
Hitesh
Madhav.
Madhav.
Okay.
Go one by one, Prabhu.
Yeah.
See, what we need to do is, I don't think the core team list is there here, Prabhu. How do we get that list? Ranjan Prabhu, you have that handy?
Yeah, we are the WhatsApp, it is there. If you have web.whatsapp, if you open it, you can get.
WhatsApp core group, it will be there, no?
Okay, so we need to add those people and their numbers and then follow up with them.
Prabhu, if you are considering all core group, no, then we can use that group itself. No, why then again creating a group?
No, it can't. See, use that book distribution readers group, Prabhu. Add those people in the readers group.
Yeah, so it will merge both. Let us merge both. No? You remove access and then
Because it is just not the core team. There are some good book distributors. I don't think Inderjit Prabhu is there in the core group. I'm not sure.
There, is there.
Is there? Naveen Daulat is there?
No.
So he has to be there here, not in the core group, but in the book distribution, he must be there because he will distribute it, I'm sure.
Okay.
Like that.
one question,
I think we should consider this list only.
all core members are not there, Prabhu.
This list doesn't have core members, Prabhu. If this list add the core members also, I'm okay with that.
Yeah, I think it's enough.
My name itself is not there here.
Oh, you
Because
didn't
you
take
are not
last year.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying that core group also has to be added here.
Your books also I only distributed last year.
I know. So, but we need to add that, Prabhu. We need to add because from people actually taking paying and then taking the books, we need to have that. Otherwise, how will we get the 2 lakh one? We need all. I don't think all of these people will be able to give 5,000. Some of them will have difficulty.
Jyoti Mataji, she took only 1 or 2 books, Prabhuji. This is based on the list. So her name we can remove, Prabhuji. It's not fair.
She is relocated also from here.
Yes.
Move. Okay, go from the beginning, Prabhu.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Amit Marode, I think he should be there.
Yeah.
Anju Mataji.
Yes, she took books last year. But she didn't take up to 5,000, Prabhuji.
That's okay.
I mean, she took, but she can do, Prabhuji.
Aparaj Prabhu, yes.
Ashok Kanpuri Prabhuji.
Yes, but with Ashok Prabhuji, then you have Lavanya Mataji also. That becomes difficult, no, Prabhuji, if you put both.
Yeah, no. Why will it become difficult? They both are devotees, no?
Okay.
Let them try.
Ashwini Mataji, which Ashwini Mataji it is selected to clarify.
Put both.
Yeah.
Okay, Ashwini Mataji, can you put
Both of them are wonderful devotees. They can definitely distribute.
Okay.
How do you identify name like this? Should we
put the full name, no, please?
Soni and Ashwini Joshi.
Soni Ashwini Mataji, okay.
Write the names, Prabhu. Okay. Then put one more Ashwini Mataji. That also you write.
Yeah, this is the other Ashwini. This is not the Soni Ashwini.
Ashwini Joshi.
This is Ashwini Joshi Mataji, Girish Prabhu's Mataji. Because Ashwini Soni had given a donation, her mother-in-law had given.
Okay.
Last year.
Don't worry about last year, Mataji. Talk
No,
about
this name is based on last year's Prabhuji.
Okay, sure. Bala Mataji is fine.
Dr. Savana Prabhuji. Girish Joshi Prabhuji. Rini Mataji, Indrachand Prabhu, Koti Prabhuji, Manish Sharma Prabhuji. Satyam Mataji, who is Manish Prabhuji?
Manish Prabhuji is the one who came from America, no? From California.
Okay. Got it. And who is
Manish
Sharma?
Manish
Madhukar Prabhu. That is Manish Madhukar Prabhu. Yeah.
Second.
Prabhuji? Okay.
That one.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is Manish Sharma Prabhu, he is really distribute. Like anybody is in touch with?
Yes, Prabhu. I am in touch with him. He distributed a lot of books last year.
Okay.
He is from Youth Forum, Prabhu. He is actually good in that. Let's actually ask him. It's okay. Naveen Daulat, yes.
Hema Mataji.
You can remove Mataji, Prabhu.
Can I remove Mataji?
Yeah.
Okay. Padma Mataji, Poonam Mataji.
Can we also add their husbands here only? If they are devotees?
Padma Mataji is and Arun Prabhu.
Okay, Arun. Then you add both of them, no?
Padma Mataji added. Okay, I'll add Arun Prabhuji.
See, both of them have their own friends. They can also think about how to distribute. Same thing you do it for all of them, Prabhu, so that actually we don't miss people. Suddenly, otherwise you'll miss somebody.
Mataji can remove, Prabhu.
Pradeep Prabhuji,
Hmm.
Kamsaki Mataji, Pranita Mataji.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, yeah, Sandeep Prabhu and Pranita. So Rohini Mataji and their friends. So that is
Okay. Parampara Prabhuji, Praveen Prabhuji.
Praveen Prabhu, I don't know. Praveen Prabhu, like anybody knows that we'll distribute Praveen Prabhu?
We can try it out, bro. Keep him.
Okay.
I will talk to him. Some of these people we need to actually take and talk to people, right? I will take some of these people. You can write. I mean, we'll have to call these people and then inform them. They will do it definitely. Something they may do.
Preeti Mataji, no, Prabhu, this time no.
Which Preeti Mataji is this?
Our Preeti Mataji.
Yes,
Okay.
it's our Preeti Mataji.
Not
Yes.
Naveen Prabhu's wife, Naveen Daulat's.
No, no.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Sandeep Prabhuji.
Who is that, Prabhu?
No, Prabhuji. You know,
Sandeep Prabhu.
remember Mataji, Satya Mataji? Sandeep
No, I
Prabhuji?
don't remember. I don't remember. I'll have to check.
Make
It must have been just few books, you know.
Rename it to Saurabh Mehta Prabhu. So I think he will be able to do this.
Yeah. Saurabh Mehta can do.
Spell it, Prabhuji.
Saurabh. RABH.
Correct, Prabhuji?
Mehta. No. MEHTA.
A and SAURABH.
RABH.
It's okay. I can correct it later.
That's
Prabhu.
fine.
Somebody
Yeah.
else-
All those things. Yeah. You can,
Sarvana Prabhuji.
you can add my wife's name also. Prabhu.
Yeah. This is our Sarvana Baba Guhan.
Yeah. Papa Gugan.
Sharumati. SS.
Yeah.
SARU. Prabhu. SARU.
Yes, Prabhuji.
SARU MATHY. That's it.
SCR, okay.
Yeah.
MA.
Hmm.
Hare Krishna, Gurvam Prabhu.
Ah.
Should we spend so much time, Prabhu, on this list? Because I think our time is.
Yeah. So I think.
Okay. So who will take responsibility of completing this list, Prabhu? Ranchar Prabhu, can you do this?
Yes.
We need. If this is not there, we'll not know estimate of how much money we have and how much we can actually really get books.
The number is enough, Prabhu.
See, my personal number, I'm thinking 68 people, Prabhu. I actually had a what do you call list around that 68 people. Not all of them will give 5,000, but there are some more people who will actually give donations for sure. So we'll have to actually include them as part of this.
If you feel it's important, then let us continue.
No. Somebody has to do this. The work has to be done for sure. If not now, somebody else. It may not be in the call, all of us sitting together, but someone has to take responsibility of filling it up. Only then you'll be able to follow up and make that group.
Yeah.
Otherwise, how will you follow it up, bro?
Let us complete then. I think I feel we'll have reached almost 70%. No?
Yes.
Okay, so can somebody else take control, because or I will take control, somebody else can take control on this Excel sheet. Something quickly we have to do. Ranchar Prabhu, can you take it?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Vijay Prabhu, give this Excel sheet to Ranchar Prabhu. Let him actually share it and then start typing in.
Okay.
Prabhu, while that is happening,
Huh.
this we in the book distribution piece, we should also have someone
Hmm.
or a group that's
Hmm.
going to call up devotees for Shastradhan.
Hmm.
Okay, we may not have, for example, Prajakta Mataji or that Ashok Prabhu who usually used to donate. No,
Correct.
just call them, and so that should be a separate group.
So
They will call-
anyways, so
Some
Prabhu,
committee-
so basically follow-up group like we have created now. Ashok Prabhu is leader for
No,
that.
I'm thinking person who is in touch with them, they should do it, Prabhu.
Correct, Prabhu.
Each one of us have to do our own
But
group.
that should also be a parallel activity. We should not miss it now. So follow-up is a different thing, Gauranga Prabhu. So for
so-
book distribution, I'm specifically looking at, we might get some contribution there.
So what we can do is that we can upload this list, final list, into online Excel, and then we can then basically code devotee themselves decide like who they want to call maybe within next 2 days, and then update it, and whoever are left, then we can assign it to other devotees for them to call. Like that we can do.
However it works, Prabhu, sure.
Ranchar Prabhu, did you get that Excel?
No, I didn't share, Prabhuji.
Please share now.
Yes, Prabhu.
The two things we have to be clear, Prabhu. Like one is like who will be couriering the book, how it is to be done. Then only we can send our form across the different groups. Our we have our different groups. If we have to send our form for the book distribution, we have to first find out who will do this courier service. That is the main thing now. And the other one is
I didn't understand, Mataji. What you're saying is because everyone was supposed to come and collect it from the center. Is that the one you're talking about?
Not about the core thing.
For members.
Yeah, for the usual, for the general thing, actually, Vijay Prabhu has made one more list for the normal members.
I think Vijay Prabhu he has made some plan, I think.
For members, but sending how to send to the particular person, actually, we had to find a way. Vijay Prabhu, is it clear?
We discussed it, Mataji, in the on Thursday night. We actually, or Friday, we actually discussed that. Okay. Supriya Mataji suggested that she will take care of that.
Prabhu shared the document for me.
Yesterday met Mataji, actually Supriya Mata yesterday met, but not exactly, she doesn't have a clear picture, like she cannot go to all the places and give it, Prabhu.
Okay.
So we may have orders from other, because the online classes are there, so they will order from other places also, not only Bangalore. And even Bangalore also, if it is very far place, it will not.
In that case, Mataji, we have to do for courier, Mataji. There is no other option.
Yeah, so who will be taking care of that, Prabhu? Usually, we have made the core committee, so in that general service should do this service.
I think Vijay Prabhu should decide. No?
But yeah, Vijay Prabhu can decide who will take care of this service.
No, actually we can decide, Mataji. Suggest anybody else. Anybody else wants to take that service. I can do it once a week, not every day. If the names are ready, I think I can also go and give it to the courier and then send it. That's not difficult actually.
Yeah, then only we can advertise about these books. How this books has to go. We have to start advertising, means this has to be cleared. Who will be sending?
I can also do every Saturday, Mataji.
Okay. Let's do that, Sarana Prabhu. Then probably I'll also come and help you.
So
we'll put a list on that day. Everyone should send what books is really required from there. We'll actually pick it up and then you can send it across.
Yeah, I can do.
But excuse me, Prabhuji, when we're thinking about courier, what if the courier charge is going to be more than the cost of the book? Are we going to have a minimum amount when we need to courier it?
Not
Couriers
like that.
are very expensive, Prabhuji.
No, Mataji, it is 40 rupees per kg.
Courier charges will be extra, Mataji. This is coming from it's not for the core team members. Okay, Mataji, this will be the orders which will come out. Remember, actually, Satya Mataji, you were supposed to do that seva. You said, whenever it comes, you'll actually post it, how many people are asked for what books and things like that. We'll call each one of them and tell them this will be the extra courier charges. We discussed that.
Yeah, that's what we discussed that. But we said we'll play by ear. No, I said as and when it comes.
Yes, if they say 20 books they want to take a whole box, then probably we can actually give them some discount on that.
So we can work on it as and when we get the orders, correct?
Yes, correct.
That's what Supriya Mataji and had said.
We'll do that. We'll decide that when first you start getting it. I doubt actually we'll get too many on that. It will be mostly the core team, whatever they're taking and sending it out.
Yeah.
So we can start sending the forms, Vijay Prabhu.
Okay.
Once it's ready, send it off.
We already shared, Mataji, for leaders. Public, I will share, Mataji.
So yeah, so then marketing can be.
Marketing team, okay, I will give to the marketing team.
And one more thing, as Kripan Prabhu said, like, we have to get some core people actually after this book distribution to cultivate on. For that, actually, I would suggest, I already told Kripan Prabhu about that, the class, Gita class. What the temple is doing. So if we can also do so, those people who are interested, we can cultivate that on a.
So what we will do here, Mataji, Pransiki Mataji, whoever you are all distributing, let's create an Excel sheet or something, put their names and then their address and then the phone number. Okay. Then we'll create a WhatsApp group for all these people and then conduct the session. Keep collecting it. That's all. We'll not actually inform them immediately as soon as you distribute the book.
Prabhu, I have a suggestion here.
Yeah.
So one, do not send individual link to people to buy. That will clash with the core and the BV leaders to distribute, because we have too many people there and some of them are people that we may have them to distribute or give it to them. So if they order parallelly, then we may, again, we'll have a clash with the stock that we have. I'm just thinking loud. Second thing, whatever orders we get like that, they should all be delivered on a particular time. So we will do it on the 25th. We'll do it on the 30th. We don't have to do it on a weekly basis. Get the entire list, do it at one shot. We'll get whatever books are required.
You mean the courier part? You'll actually do it once.
Courier part should happen only one time for the entire exercise. Maybe once in December, once in January, if you have to split it. Don't do it on a weekly basis. Don't expose yourself outside so much. Okay? People are not waiting that I order and I need it immediately. It's not an Amazon delivery. We'll do it, you or Saravanan Prabhu, whoever it is. Do it once in December, once in January. We are done with that piece. Okay? Third thing, on the Gita class, that link has to go out everywhere. We will do one Gita session, probably 3 days, 5 days, 6 days, whatever we plan. And they can get a Bhagavad Gita before they get to the Gita class. That is chargeable. We'll charge for Bhagavad Gita. Your class is free. Let's send that link instead of sending the link to buy books. This is my suggestion. I'm okay for questions. I'm just thinking.
I thought it's the same thing, Prabhu. So whoever buys books, they'll get a link free for the class.
Correct, Prabhu. When will you send the books? And will they want to attend the class or they're just buying the books?
Either way,
so
that's fine.
No, what Pransaki Mataji was mentioning was correct. So we will have the class. Book is complimentary. We'll give class free, but the whole idea is come to the class. We want to cultivate you.
The point is,
class
unless
is
they pay,
300.
yeah, the class will be there for those who actually either donate or buy books, not for anybody.
But the idea is for cultivating them, right? Books
Cultivating
are
only they buy.
you.
Right now, only focusing only on those who actually are taking a book.
Correct, Prabhu. But no, the messaging is not buy book. Messaging is attend the Gita class. That message, please send it out to everyone. Don't send out the other one to buy books. That one we will have to manage internally.
What if they don't buy books? If you send them OC class is coming?
OC class illa Prabhu. The message itself is Gita class available. Please join us. You'll get a book. Registration fees is 200, 300, whatever it is.
Like that. That means they are paying.
They are paying. Of course, they are paying.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Book also.
I think the point I think Sanatan Prabhu is making, like let's advertise in such a way that we are charging for the course, not for the books, right, Prabhu? And book is complimentary. Oh, okay.
So who is the marketing team? Giridhar Prabhu, will you be able to do that?
Una team is doing it, Prabhuji.
So can you repeat again? I mean, my Prabhu, what do you want me to do?
No, they are discussing about there's a Gita course end of this month for those who register.
Okay.
So we need to actually inform all the people. We'll actually float a mailer or WhatsApp saying that this course is going to happen. Please register. For registration, there's a fee. You'll get a free copy of Bhagavad Gita.
Yeah, we can do that. And this is part of my marketing plan, which I wanted to share. But let's see if we have some time. Yeah, I'll share.
Okay,
we can do it.
Okay, let's wind it up quickly, Prabhu. Ranjor Prabhu, you can take the list offline, Prabhu, especially who has to be there, who should not be there, and things like that. Just make sure all of them are there. Even if you feel that they may not give, add them. Whatever they want to do, let them do. Let them say that I can't do it. That's better. Let's not exclude anybody, Prabhu. It's an opportunity for them to serve Prabhupada books. Yes, Pransiki Mataji, you were trying to say something. I'm sorry.
Mataji, Prabhuji, I want to leave, Prabhuji. Can I leave, Prabhuji? Sati Mataji is there, so from my team, so she.
Okay. I'm recording this session, so we'll share.
Okay, Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thanks, Hare Krishna.
Yes, Pransiki Mataji.
Just to add that towards the end of that session, we will have the Gita Yajna also, like what Temple has said, no? Temple, they also are conducting that Gita Yajna, so all the chapters will be chanted on that 25th.
Yeah, but then
so
only difference, Pransiki Mataji, that we don't do Yajna, Homa.
Yeah.
They do Homa there in the temple.
So we will join with the temple, or?
Ideally, we should do that. Join with the temple, we'll get them free. Okay, you also actually attend these things, and we'll continue with that. Because they will actually do this fire Yajna, sitting around, they'll actually put all this Swaha and all. It's a different feeling.
The only thing, no, actually, what we do is we give all chance for all the devotees to chant each chapter. So they
then we'll do that without actually having the Homa and all. We can do on our own. It's fine.
Maybe some 15 minutes, we can give the link to them, the temple one, so they can join that after the reading or something like that. We have to plan.
We'll think that later, Mataji. That's okay. It's more like a ritual right now, so we'll do it in the end.
Right.
Okay, so so anything else on the book distribution right now? What all the action point? Venture Group is anyways visiting the list. Okay, he will send it out. He'll make that in the group. He'll add all the people. Who will take responsibility? Gaurang Prabhu, you have the link for the books to be ordered.
That Vijay Prabhu, what?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So you need to post it in the book distribution leaders group. You can also post it in the what you call normal day-to-day group also. If somebody wants to order, let them also order. No problem for that. We'll figure it out. More order is fine, but then every order will be actually paid. No advance. That's all. That's the only thing we are actually bringing in this time. Then that has to be done. 2 things done. Then Ranchar will anyways add all the people. That also will be taken care. After that, you post it. Then the marketing mail that Giridhar Prabhu, if you can make it and send it to the core team, then we can all review it if there are any changes required and then send it out to our friends. Then finally, we need to actually find out from our own group, who else can we actually approach for Shastradan. That is on our own, we need to actually find out. That's what happens, because if we generally somebody else calls somebody else and say, give me money, they won't give. Okay. You can always, Gaurang Prabhu, you actually have the life members list. Okay. You could actually definitely do that with the life members, calling them up and saying, okay, can you do some Shastradan? That's perfectly fine. With that group, it's okay. Mostly Anandi Prabhu will drive it. I'm pretty much sure that you won't actually leave it. But from our group perspective, whoever has the contact previous years, whoever has given some donations, we can talk to them. Another thing I want to really call it out. If somebody is giving us Shastradan donation and you are actually getting the money, please make sure that those books actually are being distributed somewhere, and then send them a copy of where did you distribute it. They'll feel very happy that I've actually sponsored, somebody has taken this.
So one thing has happened, Prabhu. So basically, I posted the link that Temple has shared to the Bhakti Riksha group, and then they have donated. Many of them have donated.
That is the last option, Prabhu, frankly speaking. Let's actually do it on our own, because what is happening is nobody is actually closing the loop. See, if I give you money, say 5,000 rupees, and if you go and give it to an orphanage and come and say, I gave it on your behalf to the orphanage, they'll feel happy that actually you really did it. What about I take the money and go and give somewhere else, maybe in the temple, everything is for Krishna's service. Next year, I don't even know what you actually did with that 5,000 rupees. Please make sure that if you're getting some money from somebody, close the loop on how did you actually, why did you distribute it? It could be somebody else. Pradeep Prabhu might be distributing, but ask Pradeep Prabhu, Prabhu, where did you distribute? Please tell me.
Okay, Prabhu.
Okay, so I think that those are the things I had, Prabhu. Anybody has any other questions?
I think we can, at the end, should we have Giridhar Prabhu's presentation?
5 minutes we can give him, because he's planned everything, right? Giridhar
Prabhu,
Prabhu,
I
please
have
go ahead.
one comment, sorry, on the thing that you just mentioned, right? So you have given all the action items. One thing, probably end of day tomorrow, we need to get the list of people who have ordered, the leaders. If not, extend the time till Wednesday, do a follow-up. Vijay Prabhu and team has to do the follow-up. And by Friday, if we get the list, this weekend, we can have all the boxes ready. So next Saturday or Sunday, they can come and collect from the center.
Yes.
So that work is also, someone has to own it. So Kripa Prabhu, you, me, we can get it from the temple if needed. We need the boxes if needed. And Saravan Prabhu and others who are available, be ready to be available on Saturday. Let's pack it. We'll put the name, Ranchor Prabhu's name, Giridhar Prabhu's name. They will come, they'll pick up their box and go. It's prepaid, not much of a touch.
Okay.
So that also has to be actionable.
Okay.
Thank you.
Remember that updated list, I put it in the core group actually. So
okay, Prabhu. So what we need to do is, in that list plus the extra list, we need to put it in the book distribution leaders group, Prabhu. These names has to go there. So anything to do with book distribution will interact in that distribution leaders group.
Where is that group?
Once again, let me actually. I'm going to actually message you guys. It just came right now. I'm just sending it.
You meant to SKBC marathon group, huh?
Yes, that's the one.
Okay, I'm also there.
That is a public group, bro. You know, it's a. I think they've changed the Damodar group to marathon group.
No, this is not the one. This is actually last year's.
Okay.
This is not the Damodar group. This was created basically for those who are coordinating the book distribution last year. So in this, you add all the people, and this is the group we had to ask for the 5,000 rupees worth of book distribution.
Okay, bro, I shared it also in that group also.
One more thing, actually, Prabhu, like this people are ordering that kit and all, Bhagavad Gita and chanting. But so we don't have any track actually how many are ordering from our center. So the
I've told them, Mataji, I've told Rajakrishna Prabhu only yesterday in the core team meeting saying, please add the center name also. So that's in the drop down. They said they will do it. They may start probably doing it from today or tomorrow probably. Okay. But still, see, that's the last option I would say. I mean, better to actually, we get the money, we can actually pass it on as a group and then get distributed, because we'll keep in touch with those people for the next year. That's the reason. You just give them some link, they will take it, and somebody else has to follow up with them. If they don't follow up, see, we want to cultivate devotees also. If they're giving some money, we want to give them something in return. They gave 5,000 rupees. We at least send them some pictures of where we distributed. And tomorrow, maybe I'm thinking with Anadi Prabhu, we may make some sweet boxes and send them in January, February sometimes. Thanks for this and things like that. Some cultivation we should have. Otherwise, we'll not have engagement at all. The core team will actually do just a little bit. See, we need to have some engagement all through our life. It's not that one festival is over, we'll say, done. Next festival comes. Prabhupada never used to allow us to sit quietly, right? So how many festivals keeps coming. Anyway, sorry for taking time. Giridhar Prabhu, please go ahead and share, Prabhu. Sorry, actually. You
I need to leave. I'll leave now.
And give the host to Samas, Prabhu.
Okay, 1 second.
5-10 minutes, Prabhu.
Actually,
finish it up.
Yeah, 5-10 minutes is a little less, but anyway, I'll give it a shot.
Yeah.
Maybe where we can do next week also, or whatever.
So maybe next week we'll do elaborative session, Prabhu. So you can.
So what do you suggest, Prabhu?
So let him do for 5-10
minutes.
Yeah, and then
let's go with
have it next week.
Can you see my screen, Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah. Okay. So actually, the business strategy happens first. Business strategy in the sense that the book distribution strategy, the preaching strategy, and the travel and tour strategy, that has to come, and depending on that strategy, the marketing strategy has to be developed. But we are doing it the other way around. I mean, we develop the marketing strategy, and now we'll link it or kind of connect it to the other plans. So that's so here there will be a lot of items. Some of the items or points could be wish list also. It need not be it need not be immediately executed, but maybe in the long term we can think about executing that. So there are two objectives of marketing. What we thought, one is for the general public, is to attract and get more new souls into our program. So that is one primary objective, attract new souls. Okay, and then we have so this is the target audience is general public, but for there is another prime strategy which we say get more engagement. So get more engagement within our congregation. So we have a very growing congregation, but we can still enhance the type of engagement that we have at various levels with our congregation itself. So these are the two prime objectives that we keep in mind, and then kind of created some points. So attract new souls. How do we attract new souls? So here are some points. One is like conduct a webinar, like an introduction to Bhagavad Gita. So we were just talking about having a Bhagavad Gita session and then giving a book at the end. So this is a similar way. So I'll just digress for one moment and tell you about the funnel so in marketing, we have a concept of funnel. So there are a lot of things we need to attract. To attract new souls, we need to do a lot of things. And all those people will fall into this funnel on the top of the funnel. So, and then we attract from the initial program, like introduction to Bhagavad Gita and maybe book distribution, calling them to festivals, running some Facebook program, WhatsApp and all, they'll all fall into attract new souls. And once we get them connected, we slowly ask them to join Bhakti Vriksha, slowly we ask them to take Shiksha and then initiation. So this is like a funnel. So here to attract new souls, there are a lot of things that we need to do. And that is what one of the things is conduct a webinar. And what we are suggesting here, frequency every 15 days. And how to get new people to join the webinar, run a Facebook ad campaign and target SKBC pin codes. So in and around SKBC, whatever pin codes are there, all the people will be able to see that Facebook ad, and they will be able to register for that. And once they register, then they come into our funnel. So at the end of the webinar, we can then tell them to join Bhakti Vriksha. We can tell them about our various other programs. So it serves dual purpose. One is we'll get their database. Then at the end of the program, we give them awareness of the programs that we conduct. And if they are interested, or they can join, or if they're not interested, anyway, we'll add them into the SKBC congregation and cultivate them. So they can join some of the other programs, and eventually they will fall into the funnel. So that's the idea. So this is one thing. And then the other thing is home Kirtan service. So this is on invitation and demand basis. So we have a Kirtan party. So we'll run some ads again on Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp flyer and everything. And we will propose and offer this service that anybody who wants to have a Kirtan at home, our team is willing to come to their home and do a Kirtan Seva. So this is again, spreading awareness about SKBC, our congregation group, and adding the new souls into the funnel. And slowly they will join the Bhakti Vriksha.
Prabhu, are these paid services? How does this work?
So that we can decide. So usually it will be, we can take a very nominal charge, or we can give it free service as well.
They will not respect if it's free, Prabhu. We can discuss.
Yeah, we can discuss.
Details of each of this we can discuss.
Yeah. So home Kirtan service is what we can take a nominal charge as well. So this is the second idea.
So is online Kirtan possible, or in the current situation?
So yeah, online Kirtan, it may not have that effect, but I think this is a Kirtan at their home or apartment or something like that. Yeah, so maybe this service can start after 3-4 months, not immediately. I mean, whenever situation improves, we can start. But this is one thing that we can do and get some goodwill and connect some new souls to the program.
That's very nice.
Okay. And the next one is children's program. So we again, this is something that we are doing, but we need to get new people into the funnel. So we need to advertise what we are doing to the SKBC target audience. And again, it's similar to the introduction to Bhagavad Gita. So children's program, parents will also attend, children will also attend, and this will filter down to from this program, they will come to the regular children's classes that we conduct. Okay. Then we have conduct one-day paid spiritual picnic. So we the travel team can basically conduct one-day spiritual picnic to Melkote and similar places in and around Bangalore. And some people, most of the IT people always want to go out on the weekend. So, we advertise about it on various platforms, and, people will register, and slowly this will be, we take them to a picnic. And once they come to the picnic, prasadam and some classes and kirtan will always be there, and they will definitely fall into the funnel, join the Bhakti Vriksha program at the end of the picnic. So this is another thing. Then we have come up with this idea of 1 story a day subscription plan. So children usually want to hear stories, and parents don't know what stories to tell. So that's the dilemma. So children want stories and parents cannot tell stories. So we can give a parent something like 1 story a day subscription plan, where we send them, whoever subscribes to this plan, we will send them 1 story every day. From the Bhagavatam or from our scriptures, we'll send 1 story every day so that they can read out that story to the children. Or we can send somebody of us can record the story and tell it and send it as an audio or a video format. That is also possible. So this will create engagement with a lot of pious people. Parents will get interested, and they will get interested because their children are getting spiritual education. And apart from that, there is a parent-children bonding that will take place when the parent tells the story. So this, again, once they fall into the subscription plan, they will fall into the funnel. And then we can slowly upsell our other programs like Bhakti Vriksha and the children's program and the donation and book distribution. that all will happen. The other idea is the Sattvic cooking classes. It can be done once in a month. So once in a month, and similarly we'll get new souls to the cooking classes, and then they will fall into the funnel. We'll slowly tell them about our other programs.
Prabhu, I will join that program, Prabhu, that cooking, eating, but I will be the tester.
So this is all about attracting new souls and making them fall into the funnel. Once they fall into the funnel, then we always can tell them about other programs, and they will slowly join and filter down to the funnel that I had shown. Now the other objective of marketing was to engage the SKBC congregation. Now here we have listed down some points, so which may or may not be immediately implemented, but I mean we have listed it down, and slowly one by one we can implement. So the first one is the event and program reminders. So we can make a full year event and we can look at the Vaishnava calendar and kind of come out with an event and program reminders. And then one inspirational WhatsApp flyer every day, spiritual philosophy meme using humor. So I'm not sure if you see that Dekho Prabhu and all, there are some couple of humorous things that teaches philosophy along with humor. So those type of things, maybe one inspirational video, then some short informational flyer about know your acharyas and know your devotee. So among devotees also, some of us do not know each other very well. So we can have know your devotee kind of thing, and just have one brief 3-4 questions that we can ask the devotee and can get to know about them. Then how I came in, share prasadam offering pictures. So we all offer prasadam, we all offer bhoga to the Lord. So we can share those pictures. And book distribution, motivation flyers, donation flyers, customized devotee birthday and anniversary. And we can also have a congregation business directory. So if somebody, let's say somebody is an insurance agent in our congregation, we get to know, whatever, if any of the devotees have any requirement related to insurance, they can go to him. If somebody is a business person, then any requirement is that they can go to him. Similar, so that help each other. The congregation will kind of help each other to grow. So these are the lists that we have listed to engage the congregation. And the tools are WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, website to start with. So that's it, Prabhuji. Two prime objectives. One is to attract new souls, and other one is to engage congregation. And we have a team of 5 members here, and we would like to get more volunteers as well, because a lot of work is there. Yeah, so
it's very innovative, I find it. Yeah, and if we can implement all this plan, then I think all the devotees will be able to engage them in some services all over congregation group.
Yeah. Prabhu, these plans are all you saw somewhere and got inspired, or you thought it will work for that?
So some of the plans listed in this year are already being done. Like how I came in is already there. Bhoga pictures is already there. This Dekho Prabhuji, there is a kind of a humor memo. This is already there. But
there are many like that, Prabhu.
Many like that. We need to
go to New Vrindavan. They actually have a link itself which actually talks about everyday cartoon and all. You get paper ads, cartoon about devotees. Very, very interesting. Just like I'll just give you a very small one. Very, very. You feel like laughing. How do you know whether if a person goes to a shop, what kind of shoes will he buy? Any shoe you can remove easily. That actually is what a devotee will buy. Something like that. It's very, very interesting. Interesting cartoons are there.
Yeah, I have also seen one. So one devotee, when one lion came, he started praying, "Oh Lord, make him also devotee." And then lion started praying, "Sharira Vidya."
Mahaprasad Govinda. Yeah, it's interesting. So we could do that. So I think it's good, Prabhu. We are not doing justice on this, Prabhu. We need to actually spend more time with that, Prabhu. Probably
Yeah,
do a
yeah.
little bit of deep dive, and then each area we need to actually see what else can we do, and if we are missing anything, because youth forum, Vaishnavi forum, college preaching, these are like outreaches. How do we actually get them? Something like that, like how we did
Yeah,
Nasim
so
Kavacha, something like that. So some kind of outreach we need to have. Because not everyone wants to get to know about Bhagavad Gita alone. We need to actually get
so
people from
Bhagavad
different
Gita.
areas.
So Bhagavad Gita. See, we have to do this every 15 days. One of the topic from the first 15 days, introduction to Bhagavad Gita. The second topic could be stress management. The third topic could be something
Okay.
else. How to do de-addiction to children.
Hmm.
I mean, this mobile de-addiction or gadget de-addiction kind of thing. So this topic will change, but this is a way to get people into kind of, the funnel that I was talking about.
15
And
days is a little tight, Prabhu. Maybe once in 2 months would be actually decent for our congregation right now. 15 days is too hectic.
we can start with whatever is convenient to us. This is just a suggestion. And regarding the preaching, what you mentioned, outreach programs for Vaishnavi Youth Forum. So this marketing proposal is just by the marketing team. We have not interacted with the other teams. So once the preaching team comes up with their plan, we will add up, if required, whatever is required to promote their plans, we will do that as well.
Okay, Prabhu.
But we see, this is the points listed. We might not start everything on day one. So maybe one item we'll take and start and see the response. If the response is good, and if our team has bandwidth, we'll go to the next one, kind of a thing. So this is just a kind of brainstorming points that we have listed.
Prabhu, we might need more time, but can you identify your top 2, top 3? Put a timeline around it, maybe some cost if it's involved, or charges that we may have to give, and then we can discuss on only those 2, 3. This looks very nice, Prabhu, very elaborate. We may not be able to do everything like you said. So pick your top 2, top 3, and then we can do a deep dive on that.
Okay, Prabhu. Yeah.
Good start, Prabhu. Prabhu. Thanks so much.
Yeah.
Thanks, Prabhu.
Okay, Rancha Prabhu, anything else?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Anything else, Rancha Prabhu?
No, Prabhu, at the moment, I think we're already late now. So
yeah, I know, but I want to close it. Just don't drop just like that. So, Gaurang Pavana Prabhu, Rancho Prabhu actually send that list of the Excel sheet, right? Add all those people to the book leaders forum, and then put the minutes also, action items for each one of them. Then we'll see what can be done. And call up people whom you feel like who might have missed in this session. Inform them that this is what we are doing. Some of them were not actually there in the meeting, right? Just call them, some of those people. Okay. Okay. Thanks, Prabhu. We'll see what to do next.
So next week also, Prabhu, we'll have a call same time.
We might have, yes. We'll plan it out, Prabhu. I mean, over the week we'll decide what to do. We need first of all clear the books. What books is required for him, that has to be done, and then payment to the temple, whatever it is for the books. These 2 things has to be done this week.
If all goes well, next week same time we'll meet at SKBC to pick up the books, and there we can discuss who is available.
Okay.
And this further elaborative session, then Prabhu, should we plan then next week?
Little later, Prabhu. This month fully focus on book distribution. Do whatever innovative way we can get books to be distributed. Then we'll actually do this a deep dive, maybe early January or something. Right now, focus on book distribution as much as possible.
Okay.
Also about the different language that Bhagavad Gita class. Devotees, Amrajit Prabhu is there.
Aprajit Prabhu is there. Amit Prabhu is there. Aprajit Prabhu, you're there.
Okay. So Prabhuji can do the Kannada class. Could have asked.
Yeah.
Okay, then maybe later we'll connect. Yeah.
Yes, Mataji. We'll see Kannada, English, and Telugu.
Yeah.
We'll see. I mean, who wants what kind of? If many people are there for Tamil, we'll also do Tamil if it's required. We'll see. I mean, it's going to be in the end. Not right now. We can actually decide when you want.
So next Saturday, 19th, like that we can do. So it will end it on 25th then.
No, Madhi, we'll do towards the end. We need to distribute books now. Otherwise, how will you actually do it now? My question is, if you continue to do it after this, if you actually distribute books, they will not get any session free?
Okay, that way.
We would need not know. That's why I'm thinking, because the temple is anyways doing this month. Our Anadi Prabhu is doing some session. End of the 25th to 31st, Rajakrishna Prabhu is doing one session.
Okay.
I'm thinking once we say maybe end of this month we'll finish, and then after that we can do it. I'm thinking like that. We'll see it, Madhi. We still have time. We just take that.
Only thing is, no, that is the vacation time. So usually people travel here and there. So I don't know, they will attend or.
Then we'll do it in January. Anything is okay. We'll collect everything and do it. One shot, we'll do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Hare Krishna. Thanks, Prabhu. Taran Prabhu is still there? No, it's not there. Okay. Gaurang Prabhu, send that minutes, Prabhu. Don't forget.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah. Hare Krishna.
Yes. Okay. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Thank you.
Hare Krishna.